And this was my 10th call while prospecting different prospects, and I was able to give a wow experience to that dentist. Okay, it was a dentist niche. When you gave me that script, I started applying that script in my work also, and it is really amazing. It's really amazing. I to be honest with you, Bipin, this sentence makes a very huge meaning you can think of when you're applying. But definitely, I would always opt in, and I would also recommend anyone to just be a digital nomad and opt in for your program at least first priority.
Hi everyone, meet Viswas Fernandez. He's from Goa. He's a digital nomad, and he got his first client in just 21 days, starting the journey with us. Amazing, Vishwas. You have done a great job.
Thank you, Bipin.
So tell me more about this first client. How did you find? Who are they?
Yeah, so talking about the program, what you clearly explained on how you start prospecting, the terms you use, when we say hi, hello, the kind of welcoming that particular prospect. So that was something which I really applied, and I definitely started uh, looking out for clients on the different prospecting areas that you explained. Okay, going while going on the road also, if I find someone, just take a picture, go back home, take a draft of it, find out if they're running ads, pick up the phone, say hi, hello, I'm in this, I'm in that. So that is how I started off. Okay, and this was my 10th call
Mm,
while prospecting different prospects, and I was able to give a wow experience to that dentist. Okay, it was a dentist niche. Okay,
mm,
and
mm.
he really loved it. He was like, "Wow, I should definitely try this out." And I said, you can opt in. We have different kind of offers. Okay, so I know he's a very busy man, but then yes, he definitely takes some out time of his during the day, and he says, "Hi, hello, yes, Vishwas, what is the update? You're doing well." So that is how I was able to convert my
Mm,
very first client in it.
awesome. So when you converted and when you did that cold call, you used cold call strategy, correct?
Absolutely.
You did that
Yep.
cold call. He agreed. How did you feel?
So that was I felt like I'm achieving something. Okay, I'm
Mm,
taking one step ahead, which is, and then that moment what happened is uh, I really got so much interested, enthusiasm, that the very next day I said, today I'm going to sit for 3 hours and I'm going to keep on calling,
mm,
because
mm.
that wow moment comes, that okay, uh, uh, I'm getting something. I studied something, but now I'm applying it, and it is happening. It's not that you say something and you move off, but then that one trigger point really turned me off
Mm.
that that moment, and it was like, wow, I need to dig a more in this, and this is really working. This is happening. So that
Got it.
was what had happened in that moment.
Perfect, perfect. And overall, like, the learnings, what all skills you learned, and was that everything practical in the real world?
Yes, I will say 100%. I'll explain why. Uh, Starting off with prospecting. Okay, you explain different ways of prospecting. Okay, where it says there's hunting. Okay, hunting method that you're saying. Okay, I really felt that is working, because I go on the road, take a picture, as I mentioned, or some of the niche, and then give a call. They are really interested in talking. Okay, go on Google, find prospects, and they will pick up the phone. It is not that this is something like you set it off and went, but it is working. Okay, uh,
So I
then
gave not just one way of prospecting, but many
like,
different.
there are many ways, many different ways.
But you
I can
picked up
explain one of
one.
them.
You picked up only cold calling, which is you like it.
Yes, I like that, because I cannot go down the road and go and meet some client and everything, because of the time schedule, right? So that is what. But cold call really works, because you sit and you have some everything in system in front of you. Because some people tend to hesitate. Okay,
Correct.
it is when you tend to meet someone personally. But cold call is something which I started off, and that worked for me.
The script is powerful.
Script
Anyone
is
who's
really
using
powerful.
it, they will get the client.
Yeah, because Bipin, previously also, I'm not saying that I am. This is the first time I'm just into this program kind of thing. I work my work culture is different. Okay, meaning I'm like say even if I'm going to a salesman to drop something, the way I talk, they're like, no, sorry, dude, please leave. But when you gave me that script, I started applying that script in my work also, and
Ah,
it is really amazing. It's really amazing. It is like that person gets attracted.
ah.
It's not that that person will tend to avoid you, deny you. That attraction level is there in those words. Kind of, yeah.
So, what is your background? Tell me what's your experience. I didn't ask that.
Uh, I am a software engineer.
Okay.
So I am into email marketing uh, with Salesforce. I use Salesforce for uh, US clients and London and all the stuff. So I basically run a lot of email marketing stuff for them, create emails, uh, journeys, automations, and all that stuff. So that is more what I'm into. Apart from that, I'm running my own business, which is a cashew business. Okay, I am basically we have our own manufacturing, and I do the most of the sales of the part. So
Mm.
I know that experience what was before the program and after the program. So
Ah,
I'm able to relate that thing to here.
nice. So, good. So, what all skills you learned? If you can quickly name it, one
Yeah,
in just 30
I
days.
loved one of the skills that is called your mindset. How you take a control of your mindset. That's conscious and subconscious mindset. Uh, all this while we are into this beautiful world, we are doing many things, but we did really I could not really relate saying that, oh yeah, this is my conscious mind, this is a subconscious mind. From the time when you explained it so well, then that thing cleared my doubt, and I'm like, yeah, this is what it is. Okay. uh, I love even the closing structure. So closing structure is like basically you know a beautiful way of handling any client. Let's say the step wise that you have given. Okay, yeah.
Secret.
Then I loved even the objection handling. Okay, because I have encountered this when I was prospecting. Okay,
Yeah.
so objection handling is one of the parts that I learned. Yeah, so these are the one, and then copywriting.
Mm,
Copywriting did help me in my first ad,
mm.
so I started applying those information that the steps that you provided, and it did help me in creating my first ad on Facebook. So yeah,
Awesome. Good. This is great growth. This is 100% growth. Just have to tap your back and say, Vishwas, great job. If I was there, I would have tapped your back. But this is growth. This is learning. This is just the first step. There's a long way to go. And with the same energy, see, energy equals money. Simple. You put more energy, you get the money by the end of the day. That is
correct.
the safest way to make money today. Energy equals money. That's it. Done. If I call 10 people, 2 people will say yes. Each you charge 25 or 35. Keep 25,000. You make 50 grand. Easy, 50,000 rupees. Recurring. And you put another 10 calls, you get 4 clients. Energy equals money. There is no other formula which is as good as this formula. You tell me if there is anything.
I loved one of your quote you always say, you trade your value for your money.
Correct. Trade your value for money.
So I to be honest with you, Bipin, this sentence makes a very huge meaning you can think of when you're applying, because I used to hesitate to ask money. I'll be
Mm,
honest. Okay,
mm,
I used to hesitate when I'm in the business and all that. Okay, you can give me whenever you're making money, all that stuff. But now I learn, no. This is what I am. My value talks it, and you just have to pay over. That's it.
correct. Correct. So
Yeah,
good. And if did we deliver whatever we promised in the first webinar and in the sales call, whatever we promised, did we deliver?
100%. I will definitely opt for this because I get an enough 100% support even on the group. Okay, I
Mm.
never even thought that. Okay, I thought that okay, must be some program that you give and you just get out. Give the
Ah,
knowledge and get out. No, but that I've never seen in this thing. From the day one, I just put one query, and then Your team is always there for me. So whatever you said, Bipin, I completely 100% know that it was delivered to me.
Awesome. Thank you. And for someone, from Goa, if or anyone who wants to join, should they confidently join?
100%. I will
Why?
say that.
Why?
Because what your teachings are, they are not into a book where you take a bookish knowledge and just keep in your mind here from this year and just leave it from this long. Whatever knowledge you have given to me, I applied that in my
Mm.
in my strategies, in my way of working, and it has given me a clue. Okay, that is why a proven method would definitely I would always opt in, and I would also recommend anyone to just be a digital nomad and opt in for your program at least first priority.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I wish you good luck. This is just the beginning. See this game as a real estate business. If you have four clients, it's actually worth four houses in a city, each paying 25,000, 35,000 rent. you know if you just some it's the same thing. You're trading your knowledge here. There,
Mhm.
if you want to buy a four house which is giving you 30,000 rent in a month, you need to at least spend 1 crore or 50 lakhs to 1 crore for one house for a
Absolutely.
30,000 return rent. But here you're just spending on the knowledge. And you can have four houses, you can wish to have eight houses, you can wish to have 80 houses, not in Mumbai, not in just Bangalore, not in Goa, in the entire world. And for this, your energy equals money.
Yeah,
Surround yourself with like-minded people. Your environment is more powerful than your willpower. The tribe is there, the community is there. Hang around with them, make friends, make partners, put in all your energy. You will be able to make not just 3 lakhs per month, 10 lakhs per month, 50,000, 50 lakhs per month. That this business has that potential. And it just
that,
started now, and you have seen the result.
that's correct.
All the very best. Amazing job, Vishwas.
Thank you, Vipin.